This is makgeolli, which is a Korean rice alcohol that can take as little as 5 days to make, so let's make some. The usual recipe I use is 1 liter of water and 1 kilogram of glutinous rice with 100 grams of noodle. However, I'll be using about 250 grams of frozen pineapples in this recipe to impart some flavor. So basically I'm using 800 milliliters of water because the water content from the pineapple pieces should make up the 200 milliliters of water. We need to wash the rice as gently as possible to not break any of the grains. Gently scooping the grains works well for this until the water runs clear. I'll soak the rice for at least 2 hours, and the noodle I'll soak in the 800 milliliters of water that we're going to use later. After soaking, the rice needs to be drained, and then we'll steam it until al dente. And while the rice is steaming, I'm going to strain out the solids from the noodle water and massage as much of the noodle goodness out of it. I'm going to lay out the steamed rice and spread it out to cool it off down to room temperature, before adding to my sterilized container along with the noodle water and the pineapple chunks. In Korea, there's this saying called sommat, which literally translates to hand taste, or how one's hands impart a unique flavor into what they're making. Therefore, makgeolli making, we're going to use our hands at this stage to bring our ingredients together and to make this a truly unique brew. I'm going to screw this closed, but then unscrew it a half turn to create a crack for air to escape, and then place it somewhere dark and give it a stir twice a day for the first 2 days, before leaving it for 3 more days, at which I'll strain this out and either drink as is or water down to make it a little weaker. The makgeolli came out with a pleasant creamy tartness, which balanced really well with the pineapple, and once watered down and chilled, was super refreshing.